It's a feeling. Ready to uncover its soul? Our journey begins at a symbol of royal power and timeless elegance. Then we dive into the beating heart of the city, where history and modernity collide. Here every corner tells a story and every flavor is a celebration of Spanish culture. And as the sun sets, the city reveals its most intimate and beautiful side. This is Madrid, an open book waiting for you to turn the page.
Step into Madrid, a city echoing with the rhythm of flamenco, the aroma of churros, and the energy of bullfighting. Welcome to Madrid, Spain's capital, a city that is as much about the here and now as it is about the pages filled in its history books. Madrid is a city that has seen the rise and fall of empires, the revolutions of art and culture, and the constant ebb and flow of people from every corner of the world. Madrid's origins trace back to the 9th century when it was a small fort on the banks of the Manzanares River. From then on, it has evolved into a metropolis where the old and the new blend seamlessly. Walk down any street and you'll see it. A centuries-old cathedral standing proudly next to a modern skyscraper, a traditional tapas bar sharing a wall with a stylish boutique. It's this fusion of tradition and modernity that makes Madrid a city unlike any other. But Madrid isn't just about its buildings and streets. It's about the people who live here and the culture they've created. In Madrid, art isn't just in the museums, it's in the graffiti on the walls, the fashion in the streets, and the music floating from the windows. Food is another cornerstone of Madrid's culture. From the sizzling pans of paella to the sweet bites of churros dipped in hot chocolate, Madrid's food scene is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be explored. And let's not forget football. In Madrid, football isn't just a game, it's a religion. The city is home to two of the world's most famous football clubs, Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid, and their rivalry is as much a part of the city's culture as its art and food. Finally, Madrid is a city that never sleeps. Whether it's the late-night tapas bars, the bustling night markets, or the lively flamenco shows, there's always something happening in Madrid. Indeed, Madrid is not just a city, it's a living, breathing entity with a heartbeat of its own. Madrid's streets are a symphony of sights and sounds that enchant every visitor. Immerse yourself in the heart of the city at the Royal Palace. This grandiose structure, a testament to Madrid's regal past, is not just an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of the city's enduring spirit. The palace's lavish rooms filled with priceless art and antiques whisper tales of royalty, power, and opulence. Take a leisurely stroll to Retiro Park, a sprawling oasis of tranquility amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Here you'll find Madrid's citizens and visitors alike, basking in the sun, rowing boats on the serene lake, or simply enjoying the beautiful sculptures and fountains. Next, let's visit the Prado Museum, a treasure trove of European art. This prestigious institution houses masterpieces from renowned artists like Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco. Walking through its hallowed halls is like taking a journey through the annals of art history. Now let's take a turn onto Gran Via, Madrid's Broadway. This bustling boulevard is a microcosm of Madrid's vibrant energy, where historic theaters rub shoulders with trendy boutiques and cafes. It's a place that never sleeps, mirroring the city's lively nightlife. Experience the city's pulse at vibrant squares such as Puerta del Sol and Plaza Mayor. They are the city's social hubs, where locals gather to chat, dine, and enjoy performances by street artists. These squares are the perfect spots to people watch and soak in the local culture. Finally, indulge in the city's gastronomic scene at the Mercado de San Miguel. This bustling market is a paradise for food lovers. Here the air is filled with the enticing aroma of freshly cooked tapas, the city's culinary specialty. From traditional jamon iberico to gourmet seafood, the variety is simply tantalizing. Every corner of Madrid tells a story, a tale of past and present, tradition and innovation. And as you explore, you'll find yourself becoming a part of this story, a part of Madrid's enchanting symphony. Madrid's culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure that tantalizes your taste buds. As the heart of Spain, Madrid is a city that takes its food seriously. It's a place where tradition and innovation harmoniously blend in every plate, creating a culinary landscape that's as diverse as it is delicious. Delving into Madrid's food culture, you'll find a plethora of traditional dishes that are steeped in history and brimming with flavor. Take for instance the cocido madrileño, a hearty stew that's a staple in Madrileñan households. This dish, a symphony of meat, chickpeas, and vegetables, is a testament to Madrid's love for comfort food. Equally iconic is the bocadillo de calamares, a simple yet satisfying sandwich of crispy fried squid rings nestled in a crusty baguette. It's a beloved street food, a quick bite that encapsulates the city's fast-paced, vibrant energy. But Madrid's culinary prowess isn't confined to these traditional dishes. The city is also home to an array of world-class restaurants where talented chefs are constantly pushing boundaries, crafting dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. From avant-garde tasting menus to the freshest seafood platters, these gastronomic temples offer a dining experience that's nothing short of extraordinary. And then there's the city's cafe culture. Madrid's cafes aren't just places to grab a quick cup of coffee. They're social hubs, spaces where people gather to chat, relax, and of course indulge in the city's famous churros with chocolate. These golden crispy dough sticks, paired with a cup of thick, rich hot chocolate, are a match made in culinary heaven, a treat that's as quintessentially Madrid as the city's grand palaces and bustling plazas. In Madrid, food isn't just sustenance, it's an integral part of the city's identity, a way of life that's deeply rooted in its history and culture. It's a sensory journey, an exploration of flavors and textures that's as exciting as the city itself. In Madrid, every meal is a celebration, an experience to be savored. Madrid is a city of artists, its soul painted in the hues of creativity. This is a city where artistry doesn't just hang on the walls of museums, but breathes in every corner, from the cobblestone streets to the pulsating beats of its vibrant music scene. At the heart of Madrid's artistic heritage is the Prado Museum, a testament to centuries of artistic genius. Within its grand walls, you'll discover a treasure trove of masterpieces, from the evocative dark hues of Goya's The 3rd of May to the intricate details of Velázquez's Las Meninas. Each piece tells a story, an echo of the past that continues to resonate in the city's vibrant present. But Madrid's artistic spirit doesn't dwell only in the past. It's a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. This is evident in the Reina Sofia, a hub for contemporary art, where Picasso's Guernica shares space with avant-garde installations and thought-provoking exhibits. Here, art challenges, provokes, and inspires, reflecting the city's progressive heartbeat. Yet Madrid's artistry isn't confined to museum walls. It spills out onto the streets, where vibrant murals transform urban landscapes into open-air galleries. Street art, with its raw energy and bold colors, is a testament to Madrid's dynamic spirit, a city unafraid to express itself. And let's not forget about the music. Madrid strums to the rhythm of its own guitar, from the passionate strains of flamenco echoing in the narrow alleyways to the indie rock reverberating in trendy neighborhoods. Music is an integral part of Madrid's artistic soul, a city where every genre finds a home and every note tells a story. In Madrid, art is more than just a collection of paintings or a melody. It's a reflection of its people, their passions, their history, and their dreams. It's the lifeblood of the city, etched into its very fabric. In Madrid, art is not just a pastime, it's a way of life. Madrid is a city that captivates you, a city that you carry in your heart long after you've left. It's a place where history and culture intertwine seamlessly, where every corner has a tale to tell, where every street echoes with the vibrant rhythm of life. We've roamed through the city, engaging with its rich past. From the grandeur of the Royal Palace to the enchanting Almudena Cathedral, Madrid's architectural marvels are a testament to its illustrious history. We've strolled along the lively Gran Via, the city's pulsating artery, brimming with life and energy. We've marveled at the beauty of the Retiro Park, a green oasis in the heart of the city, a place to pause, to breathe, to dream. We've savored the flavors of Madrid, from the tantalizing tapas to the comforting cocido madrileño. We've tasted the city's culinary heritage, a delicious blend of tradition and innovation. We've explored Madrid's artistic soul, immersing ourselves in its vibrant art scene, from the world-class collections of the Prado Museum to the cutting-edge exhibitions of the Reina Sofia. Throughout our journey, we've encountered the warm and welcoming people of Madrid, the Madrileños. Their zest for life, their passion for their city, their love for their traditions, these are the threads that weave the fabric of Madrid's unique charm. They've shared their city with us, their stories, their laughter, their dreams. So why visit Madrid? Because it's a city that embraces you with open arms, that invites you to be part of its narrative, a city that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. It's a city where you can lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets, immerse yourself in its rich culture, and find yourself in its warm and welcoming embrace. Madrid is more than a destination. It's an experience, a feeling, a memory that stays with you forever. It's a city that once visited becomes a part of you, a city that you carry with you wherever you go. It's a city that, like a well-loved book, invites you to return, to discover new chapters, to write your own stories. Madrid is a city that captivates, a city that endures,